Hello everyone. The main content of our study today is that the basic characteristics of the whitefly in tea garden. There are three main aspects. They are the basic characteristics of the whitefly, the identification of the damage of the whitefly, and the main biological characteristics of the whitefly. First, let's look at the basic characteristics of the whitefly. Whitefly insecta, Homoptera alerodimorpha. Its family name comes from Greek, meaning flower-like. The first instar nymph of whitefly is well developed, movable, and the antennae has 4 nodes. The second instar foot and antennae degenerate, leads a life of eating regularly every day. Body hardening classification is called pupa shell, which is an important classification stage, but it has other adult characteristics. Damage characteristics of whitefly. Adult nymphs suck the sap of leaves, fruits, and twigs. The damaged leaves show chlorosis, yellow and white spots, and with the aggravation of the damage, the spots expand into pieces, and then the whole leaves become pale and fall off early. The flavor quality of the damaged fruits decreases. The young fruits often fall off seriously. The excretion of honeydew can lead to coal fouling disease. How can we identify whitefly? The body of whitefly is small and slender. Both female and male adults have 2 pairs of wings. Body wings are often covered with wax powder. Antennae are in the shape of linear and have 7 nodes. Wings are soft and broad. The front wing is only 2 longitudinal veins. The first one is curved. The latter one is straight. The rear wing has only 1 wing vein. Both adults and nymphs have tubular holes on the ventral back. Eggs are slightly curved and stalked, clustered on the back of leaves. Nymphs are oval, have spiny or smooth back, often secreting wax cover. Pupa shell is flat oval. There are transverse seams. The center is the back plate. The outer is the submarginal area. There is a tubular hole at the back of the dorsal plate. A cover flap and a tongue are arranged in the hole. The characteristics of the pupa are often used as a basis for classification. Then let's learn the hazard identification of the whitefly. The hazard identification refers to that the pests settle on the back of the tea, sucking juice. A large amount of honeydew is excreted on the lower leaf surface, resulting in the parasitism of bituminous coal bacteria. In serious cases, the epidemic of bituminous coal disease can be caused. The tea garden is pitch black, hindering photosynthesis, resulting in tree weakness, no tea to pick, even kills branches and trees. Finally, let's learn the main biological characteristics of whitefly. The main biological characteristics of whitefly. The main biological characteristics of whitefly is a special type of incomplete metamorphosis. Both female and male insects have a pseudo-pupa stage, which is usually called overgradual metamorphosis. Nymphs have 3 years. When hatched, nymphs have feet and antennae. They can crawl nearby and settle down later, secrete wax on the back after the second instar feet and antennae degenerate. The mouth parts form a slender mouth needle to insert into the plant's organ and suck juice. The back of the body continuously secretes wax to cover the insect body. After the 3rd instar, it molts and pupates in situ. The main hosts of whitefly are tea, Camellia oleifera, Citrus loquat, apple, pear, grape, persimmon, chestnut, longan, banana, olive, and so on. The reproductive mode of whitefly is mainly bisexual, sometimes parthenogenetic. Unfertilized eggs develop directly into males. Fertilized eggs can develop into female and male adults. The female adult will choose a good leaf to lay worms. Under the condition of sufficient food, a female adult can lay 150 to 200 eggs at most at a time. In temperate and tropical zones, multiple generations can occur every year, with obvious phenomenon of generation overlapping. Its life cycle is comprised of eggs, four nymph stages, and adult stages. The fourth instar nymph is usually called pseudonymph. General characteristics of pupal shells of whitefly family: appearance, body type, and body color. From the aspect of the appearance, it is usually oval, long oval, and some are ovate, near round and subround. From the body type, the size of the pupa shell is rarely larger than that of 2 millimeters. From the perspective of body color, the pupa shell color is generally black-brown, brown, light yellow, white, etc. Some species' body color is changed according to the host plant species, and some species' body color is changed seasonally. Let's stop here and continue this lesson in the next class. Thank you.